They say that the best way to reduce population is he. Because when he smiles, he kills the people. So that's me. I'm Sanjeev here. Good afternoon, Madam Postmaster, Senior Postmaster, my fellow, and welcome guests. So I'll start my introduction by reciting a small story of Mahabharata. There was a person called Kichak. He was a brother of Deshna, who was wife of Virat. When the exile of Pandavas was about to end, they hide themselves in the kingdom of Virat. So this person, Kichak, was very interested in Draupadi. He tried to make love with her, but he was not successful. Ultimately, he told his sister that he wanted to love with that lady at any cost. So, in the end, he was managed to get her in his room. Now, Draupadi denied her and tried to run from his room. And she was able to run from his room and went directly to Bhima. Now, Bhima told him that our exile is about to end, wait for some time, then we can do something for him. And ultimately they killed Kichak. So the story is like that because Kichak is a person from the name of my place is derived from Kichak, Chika. It's a place called Chika. So it's a place very near to Kurukshetra, around 40 kilometers from Kurukshetra and near to Patiala as well. I live there. I'm hailed from this place called Chika, and my father runs a small shop of furniture. We have three brothers. My mother is a homemaker. My elder brother done with graduation and working with my father, helping him in his business. My younger brother has done his MBBS and is on internship right now. So I started my journey from there. In the beginning, when I was in first standard, I used to be very curious about the facts, about the concepts that was being, about all the reasoning behind everything. So once I was thinking about son, that this guy keeps following me every time. When I'm in the school, he's always there. When I'm in the home, he's always there. Sometimes I try to run hard. That sometime I will be able to defeat this guy and I will be able to make this guy far away behind me. Sometimes I used to give surprise to my father as well. Thought of giving that, father, I brought it for you. So I used to be very curious. I used to be very curious for some other things like why do we go to washroom every day? Every morning we go there. Why not finish it for every life? Then we will live a peaceful life. Finish it in the morning. So these are some facts. Once I was told in school that the earth is round. So I was abashed that how could the earth be round? Why don't we fall down? So these were some facts. Then once my teacher told me that earth rotates, I was very upset that how could the earth rotate? I was thinking that when I will go to my home would not be there. So where would I go to? So these kinds of facts, I was very curious to know these kinds of facts. After that, I started my education further, went to engineering, did my engineering with mechanical background, I don't know why, no idea. And again, there was also some curiosity about the concepts being how the engine runs, how you attach some metals out there and put some liquid there, then boat vanished. I tried to put some liquid on the chunks of metal, then I don't know, it comes down somewhere from somewhere or somewhere else. So these kinds of curiosity always haunted me. After that, in college I used to be a good dramatics player. I am a national level dramatics player. I did dramatics in lots of colleges. I did my engineering mechanical background and then went to job in Infosys. Don't know why I got to software. software, no idea, did my mechanical engineering, then went to software engineering. Then worked there for around 3 years. Have gone through training in Mysore for 4 months. Then 2.5 years in Pune. So there I thought that okay, the life here is also not that peaceful that what I was expecting. So I thought of then we should go for MBA, and then written the exam, then I didn't got admission to college, and now I'm pursuing my MBA from an institute I am in Gulf. Then also there were also some curious facts how they predict the future of a company whenever you don't know the future of you, what are you going to do and all this. So this is my journey, how it's going on. And I would like to end this presentation by saying my philosophy, two philosophy, very good philosophy. One is that desire can give you something, but positive attitude can give you everything. And second is, that is 5 P's, proper planning prevent poor performance. That's all. Thank you very much. Thank you, Toastmasters.